IGAMBA riraikirwe koti kuromba kurungikwa kwa unenkaniri wa kieni kia ndege kia JKIA kiri kambuni cha India cha Adani iriketwo mwanka tariki 27 mweri juju wa keri. Wakili Kalonzo Musyoka ugite JKIA yake indi kinyasha SHIF na KETRACO barikiri WIITIKANIRIA wa WIITHO BATIKAJUKIE Na Adani.
As workers, we remain opposed to the intention of giving out JKIA to Adani. We have said not once, not twice, that it's not a good deal for this country. It is not a good deal for workers. It's not a good deal for the sector, that is the aviation sector in totality. We are more than convinced that Kenya Airports Authority is financially able to fund its own expansion and modernization. Our appeal to the government is that they should pause and abandon the Adani project and instead assist Kenya Airports Authority to finance its own expansion.
I think this matter is of critical importance. We are dealing with a critical infrastructure which touches on the national security and the well-being of a nation state called Kenya. We have said before we have no problem with the investors coming to the country, but the way this Adani deal has been crafted, it has all the trappings of what one would call a state capture. Look at Adani at JKIA, Adani in SHAF and SHIF, Adani in KETRACO, and the whole thing crowded in secrecy.
We must tell Kenyans portends a lot of risk to our future as a nation. We've seen what is happening in Bangladesh. The same Adani who was chased from Bangladesh, from Sri Lanka, from Australia. Today we are hearing that he had a problem with the people of Bangladesh and he has cut off power. We want to tell this Kenya KURIGIRIA government that if actually they are going to give this Adani everything, for Adani to control our airways in terms of taking JKIA International Airport, for Adani to control our energy sector by taking over KETRACO, for Adani to control our healthcare systems. Imagine if what has happened in Bangladesh happens in Kenya. One individual called Adani switches off power. The entire country is in darkness. This one individual called Adani grounds Jomo Kenyatta because he'll be controlling Jomo Kenyatta. The same Adani is controlling our healthcare. That Adani, Shah, SHIF, whatever, he actually paralyzes our healthcare. Will we have a country? No. So we are saying no to this Adani deal, and we are again, even as we fight here in court, as leaders of the opposition, we want to tell this government to be responsible and to drop this Adani deal.
Yes. Drop this Adani deal. William Ruto, drop it.